Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Avenel local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to make sure your long-distance move doesn't consist of all the stress. Whether you're moving just one state over or need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. With the right moving services to help you, any type of move, small or large, becomes a lot simpler. Selecting our team guarantees you get access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary originally. When you examine the major benefits you get, the price may be a lot easier to handle. You will definitely save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our skilled movers provide effectiveness with each and every single move. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. Moving locally may be very quick, and our team can deal with even a huge move in just one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Avenel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.